What's up, everybody? It's your boy D from Beyond the Lens, and I'm back with another YouTube video. This is one I've been waiting for a long time. It has finally arrived. I finally have my Full Sail lunchbox package. And today I'm just gonna go through it with you and show you what's inside. So as you know, in Full Sail, they provide you with all of your equipment that you would need to take the class. I'm doing it online. Digital Cinematography bachelor's degree program. So they make sure you have everything you need to learn filmmaking and to take the course or the degree program. So let's start here. Number one, you know we got packing pillows. Beautiful. Okay, so first thing I see is Stage Master XLR cable. Now this is 25 feet long. So technically, if you're going to use a boom pole or boom mic, I think that's what this is for. So here's your Stage Master XLR cable. Okay. Also, we have a Pro Grade Digital SDXC UHS2. I think this is the memory card, guys. Usually it's a tough memory card from the other lunchbox packages, but this is a Pro Grade UHS2, high grade professional grade digital media, 64 gigs. All right, what do we got next? Okay, we have a Kensington mobile hub. Basically, they sent a mobile hub because earlier in the lunchbox package, they sent a MacBook, which is sitting here, guys. MacBook Air, and we use it for classwork and things of that nature. So, as you know, on Mac, you need the mobile hub to connect external devices, which is, I don't know why Mac hasn't caught up yet, but it is what it is. All right, so that's your mobile hub, pretty cool. USB-C. All right, next we have the Sony ECM VG1 condenser microphone. Basically a shotgun mic for your camera, or if you want to use it and put it on a boom pole and do external audio, it's a pretty decent mic you can use. Here you go. All right, see that, guys? Pretty cool. Looks like it has a dead cat on it and a bunch of accessories. Leave a comment below if you want me to do an unboxing or a review of each and every one of these small packages. I could, so just let me know. All right, next we have, okay, let's go ahead and tear this open. Sony MDR 7506 headphones, professional grade, pretty good headphones, nice. I already have headphones because I do mixing and mastering, so this would be good to add to the collection. Check it out, guys. All right, so it's a lot of stuff in this bag, in this box. I'm gonna save this package for last. Okay. So we also have a nice camera bag. This is the Porta Brace camera bag. It's pretty nice, guys. Doesn't look cheap, and it looks to be like something that can really protect your camera. And it's a good thing to have so that you can carry your camera. This is part of the arm strap. I'll put that back. And there are some goodies on the inside as well. Okay, so what is this? Again, camera bag, guys. I'm gonna move it to the side for this video. Inside they have a bunch of goodies. And of course, this is a white balance card. This is gonna come pretty handy, trust me. You always want a white balance before you shoot. Pretty cool. And what else do we have? This looks like just more accessories for the camera bag and for the arm straps, etc., etc. Let's see if there's anything else in here. More of the arm strap. Pretty cool. I'll put all this back in here. Are there any things in the sides? Let's see. Nope. This is not a cheap bag, guys. This is good quality. This is gonna come in handy. Porta Brace. All right. Okay, so let's move on to another box. So again, we have the shotgun mic. We have the mobile hub. We have the XLR cable, 25 feet. We have the SD card, or basically your memory card. We have the white balance card. And we have the Sony MDR 7506 headphones. It's a lot. I'll come back with all this. Okay, so now for the next box. Okay, guys. Hope you can see this. This is obviously, don't try this at home, the tripod for the camera. Always safety first, guys. I got this from my trip to Gatlinburg. You can check out my other videos and see where I went to the souvenir shop and got this dope knife. All right, oh yeah. Comes in a pretty nice carrying case. As you can see, Manfrotto. Cool, pretty nice case. I'll take it out so y'all can see it. Manfrotto tripod, pretty nice tripod, sturdy, fluid head system, etc., etc. This is the MVT 502 AM Manfrotto tripod. Pretty cool tripod, guys. Kind of heavy as well. Cool. We'll put this back in the bag. Remember, I got a couple of bonus things for you guys as well. Okay, GVM. This is obviously your reflector set and your diffusing set. I don't want to open it because I know it's gonna expand, open everywhere. That's one thing. Let's see. I am assuming that this may be some sort of stand or something of that nature. Yep. Okay, this is a table stand. Clamp it to the table, put your light on there. Just so you can see it. Pretty dope. Moving on. What's here? Okay, so this looks like your barn doors for your light. GVM barn doors, pretty cool. And it's actually metal and not plastic. This is pretty good. Good quality. Moving on. All right, guys, this looks like our soft box for our lights. Manfrotto, no, yeah. No, this is GVM, I'm sorry. This is our soft box. And you have 2 cases on the inside. Let's see what we got. Oh, nice. These are our SD80s. Hope you see that, guys. Our lights, one of 2. Pretty dope. If you want more detailed videos, let me know. I'll make another video, but just so I won't make this video super long, I'll move on. As I said, you got 2 of these. Another one. Then, on the bottom, you have a packing sheet, which I wish was at the top. Okay, so yep, you have your barn door, your soft box, your spotlights, 2 SD80s. You have GVM light stands, 3 GVM reflectors, and earlier we showed the Manfrotto tripod kit. I don't know why that is on this packing sheet, but so well. Here's one of your light stands. No need to pull it out. Light stand number 1 for your spotlight, and light stand number 2. And you have the table stand, so that's your 3 stands. And we have a big GVM. This is your RY200 light with a desk stand. This is why we got the desk stand. Let's open this up. Let's get a little bit of this out of the way first. Be careful, I don't want to damage anything on the inside. knife is pretty sharp. Kids, don't try this at home. More packing material. Oh, okay, here goes the third light stand. Another light stand for that. And here is the softbox light, or the soft light, field light, whatever you want to call it. Flat, already built in diffusion. Not too big, super light, which is good. Pretty good. Now, for what everyone has been waiting on, let me go ahead and open up. Dun, dun, dun. And here we go, the Sony FX6. Yeah, there we go. All right, guys, so let's tap into it. I want to be careful with this, so I'm gonna put it down and pull it up. So, right off the bat on the top, I can see that we have the kit lens, Sony kit lens, the 24 to 105, pretty dope. G Master. Cool. The tulip for the lens. Power cables. USB-C cables. Hot shoe mount. You have your sidearm. I believe that is what this is. Let's see. Yep. They got it secured pretty good, which is dope. There's your sidearm, side handle. And I know this is what everybody's been waiting on. So I'm kind of going slow on purpose. Okay, what do we have here? This is our LCD screen. Pretty nice. LCD screen. Dope. Super clean. Could this be our top handle? Yep. Okay. So here we go with our top handle. Super dope. Super light. Nice. Top handle. And now, what you've been waiting for is the camera body for the FX6. Very light. There she is, guys. Camera body for the FX6. Dope. We ready to rock and roll. Shout out to Full Sail, making sure we have everything we need. There you have it, the Full Sail Digital Cinematography Launch Box Package.